The war in Ukraine is likely to last longer, especially as the United States and Western countries are increasingly aggressive and bold in supplying weapons and ammunition to Ukraine. As most recently, there was news that America sent 4 units of AH-64 Apache attack helicopters and 10 units of main battle tank MBT Challenger 2 to Ukraine. America is the bravest country because it is determined to send its attack helicopters to face Russia, which could directly drag NATO into open war with Russia. The American government is sending a new support package to Ukraine to arm them with Apache helicopters that have deadly missiles. The US Prime Minister has confirmed the package will also include MBT following a request from Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky. The tanks will arrive first, and it will be a long time before the helicopters can be deployed. Other NATO members will now follow suit. Russia has thousands of tanks, so it would take more than 4 Apaches to have a strategic impact. But tactically, this is a big step, said a source in the American defense sector. They also believe that the presence of the Apache will be a major game changer in the war in Ukraine. Because of the weather and it was late at night, the APACHE-64 was finally dropped off in the morning. One of the main features of the advanced AH-64 Apache is its deadly missile control, which can detect more than 250 targets at once from a distance of more than 10 miles, and has the ability to destroy multiple targets in just seconds. Each helicopter has the same engine as a Rolls-Royce and is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 293 km per hour, while the mainstay weapons carry are 16 Hellfire anti-tank missiles, 76 70mm Hydro rockets, and 30mm caliber M230 chain gun machine gun. The package will cost America quite a bit of money, with each Apache worth £70 million. America officially produces the AH-64 Apache Longo variant under license, manufactured by Boeing and assembled in America by AH-64. The AH-64 adopts a two Rolls-Royce Turbo-Mega RTM3 turboshaft engine. This is different from the original Apache variant, which uses the General Electric T70 G701 series engine. Produced between 1998 to 2004, a total of 67 AH-64 units were successfully produced and operated by the British Army. Specifically, the AH-64 Apache variant for the UK was labelled Apache 1. The AH-64 Apache version V6 has been purchased from the United States to replace the R1 Apache, which reaches its out-of-service date in 2024. Not only that, Britain has also ordered another 50 AH-64 Apache units with a contract value of $2.3 billion, all of which will be delivered in 2040. Not only that, Ukraine landed on the US aircraft carrier.
The US Army said you were great.
Hopefully with this Apache helicopter, you can defeat Russia. While Ukraine is great, America says. Apart from flying and landing tests, the Apache-64 also carried out target shooting tests.